I've been debating with myself whether to make this video or not. Sobrang sensitive ng Eman Atienza incident. I have so many thoughts about it. I actually made a reel about antidepressants, and in less than an hour, I took it down because it was said to be harmful. Kaya ganito na lang. If you're watching this and you suffer from depression, stop right there. Maybe this is not the video for you. For the rest, please suspend your judgment. Watch until the end. Then give me your thoughts if you think I'm making sense or not. Disclaimer, hindi ako mental health expert. This is an opinion video. Bago tayo magsimula, lagi kong sinasabi, even sa aking aklat na conservative ka ba, be charitable. In any case, kung sino man yung kausap mo. Totoo na may mga uncharitable religious persons na nag-comment kay Eman Atienza. May mga nagsabi sa kanya na mayaman na daw siya, hindi daw siya dapat nakakaramdam ng depression. This is uncalled for. Pero I'm sure you're not here para ulitin ko ang sinabi ng marami ng tao sa internet ngayon. You're here to hear something different, a different take on the incident. Bago ubigay ang aking controversial take sa Eman Atienza incident, hayaan mong isalaysay ko muna sa inyo yung story about the reel that I posted on antidepressants. Etong sinabi ko sa reel. Sabi ko doon, para sa akin, ang antidepressants ay parang gayuma. Halimbawa, ginayuma mo ako, bigla akong nahumaling, na-obsess, na in love sa'yo ng todo-todo. Masasabi mo bang tunay ang pag-ibig ko? Or result lang ito ng gayuma? And then, I brought up antidepressants. Substitute mo sa gayuma yung antidepressants and substitute mo dun sa mga salitang in love yung salitang sumaya or mabawasan ang lungkot. Totoo bang sumaya ka kapag nag-antidepressants ka? Or at least nabawasan ang lungkot if yung feeling na nararamdaman mo ay nakuha mo lang sa gamot. And I understand, hindi naman happy pill yung antidepressants. Hindi naman yung sinasabi ko. Sa dulo ng reel, sinabi ko dun na baka more than neurochemistry, beyond brain chemistry, I think ang totoong ugat ng kalungkutan is that there's something broken in your soul. So again, disclaimer, I'm not saying that antidepressants are not effective. Ang sinasabi ko lang is if this is your only method to fight depression, you might need to rethink your strategy. Although, some studies came out which put the effectiveness of antidepressants into question. If you do a Google search on serotonin and depression, may bagong findings na lumabas na low serotonin is not the main cause of depression. It used to be na ito yung widely accepted knowledge sa field. But because of these new findings na hindi low serotonin ang main cause of depression, na put into question ang pagrereseta ng antidepressants. Because ang main mechanism ng antidepressants or SSRI is to increase your serotonin level para labanan ang depression. Pero may mga nagsasabi na effective pa rin daw yung antidepressants pero iba daw yung ginagawa nito para malabanan ng depression. I will leave this to your own discretion. Hanapin nyo na lang yung study, basahin yung maigi, and then you decide. By the way, bago tayo pumunta sa aking controversial take, if you're getting value from this video, paki-hit naman ang subscribe button down below. While you're at it, paki-like na rin ang video and hit that notification bell para lagi kayong updated kung meron tayong bagong release. Okay, Eman Atienza. Itong sasabihin ko might not be true about Eman Atienza. Hindi ko naman siya finalo ng todo-todo. In fact, ngayon ko lang siya nakilala nung lumabas tong news na ito. But I see that some people make depression their identity. The same way that some people make gender their identity. Halimbawa, a young woman who identify as a man or as a non-binary, may ilang tao sa social media, may he or she be an influencer or commoner lang sa TikTok, they make a mental health issue their identity. And again, I'm not saying na si Eman is this, pero kung titignan mo ang marami sa kanyang content, it's about her depression. And para sa akin, social media and being a social media influencer should be the last avenue for someone with depression. Kung ikaw ay isang tao na nagmamahal sa isang taong depressed, please protect that person from social media. Dahil social media, by its nature, is toxic. I get bashed and get hate comments all the time dito sa social media. It's the nature of the beast. So, kung isa kang taong depressed at pumunta ka sa social media, it's like bringing an alcoholic to a liquor store. Also, may tinatawag na positive feedback loop. Anong positive feedback loop? Halimbawa, kung isa kang tao na nagsasuffer sa anxiety, yung anxiety mo, kapag iniisip mo na anxious ka sa pag-iisip mo about your anxiety, then iikot yun into a loop hanggang sa mag-amplify palalo yung anxiety mo. And I think ito yung naging effect ng SOCMED sa taong nagsasuffer sa depression. Ang isang influencer whose subject is mostly about his or her depression will either get you affirmation, at kapag nakakuha ka ng affirmation, it might encourage you to make more content about your depression, hence incentivizing remaining in a depressed state. Or you get bashed, which will really make your depression worse. Now, imaginein mo ulit yung feedback loop na yung depression mo umiikot, naglo-loop at nag-amplify. Ano ang tingin nyong magiging logical na dulo nito? Kaya one of my many controversial takes sa episode na ito is, kung depressed ka, I pray that people who love you would protect you from social media. Now, here's the more controversial part. And baka i-bash nyo ako dito. Or worse, murahin pa. Baka kailangan talaga ng isang taong nagsasuffer ng depression ang dasal. Either ipagdasal mo siya or yung depressed mismo ang magdasal. I'm sure maraming nagbibigay sa kanya ng tip na mag-meditate ka or mag-yoga ka para ma-relax. Pero bakit pag yun ang ibigay mong tip sa isang taong depressed, hindi offensive? Pero pag sinabi mong kailangan niyang magdasal, offensive. And by the way, I said hindi ako mental health professional, pero may psychologist kami sa The Sentinel PH, si Mika Gonzalez. You can watch her video right here.